Dive into the world of SEO, or search engine optimization, a tool that can transform the visibility of a YouTube channel. It's not magic, it's all about understanding the algorithm, the viewer's behavior, and the right techniques. To begin with, SEO starts with keyword research. Keywords are those golden words that viewers use to search for videos. Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search bar to find popular keywords related to your content. For instance, if the video discusses Bollywood film reviews, keywords may include Bollywood film review, latest Hindi movie review, or new Bollywood movie critique. Secondly, ensure to optimize the video title. Now incorporate the keyword into a catchy title that grabs attention. Remember, the title should not only be keyword-rich but also engaging and relevant to the video content. Thirdly, focus on the video description. A well-written description not only informs viewers about the video content but also helps YouTube's algorithm understand the video's context. Include the primary keyword naturally within the first 2 to 3 sentences, and pepper in some related keywords throughout. Then, don't forget about tags. Tags further help clarify the video content to YouTube's algorithm. Use relevant tags, including your primary keyword and variants. Subtitles and closed captions are also a part of this SEO journey. They not only make the video accessible to a broader audience, but also provide additional text that YouTube's algorithm can read and understand. Next, focus on the video's quality and user engagement. High-quality videos with clear audio and visuals, coupled with engaging content, will keep viewers longer on the video, improving the watch time, an essential factor in YouTube's ranking algorithm. Lastly, promote the video on various platforms. Share the video link on social media, blogs, or any platform that your target audience frequents. More the video gets shared, higher the chances of it being discovered. So to summarize, YouTube SEO is about understanding the algorithm and the viewer's behavior. It starts with keyword research, followed by optimizing the video title, description, and tags. Subtitles and closed captions play a crucial role, and so does the video's quality and user engagement. Lastly, promoting the video across platforms can increase its visibility. Mastering YouTube SEO might seem like a daunting task, but with the right techniques and a bit of patience, it can significantly enhance the visibility of a YouTube channel. So dive in, explore, and unlock the potential of YouTube SEO for your Hindi content. It's time to let your content shine in the vast digital universe of YouTube.